How to print job posting from Indeed.com. Really easy and simple. So I have a different job postings right here. Let's say this one piqued your interest. Okay. Come here, click on this button right here. This will copy the link to the URL for this website. What you're going to do is just open up a new tab, paste this link, and then open that link. And then you will be able to see a full page with this job posting. What you're going to basically do is right click anywhere on this page and then click on print. All right. Now here, guys, you can choose your printer, or you can also save this as a PDF. Of course, once this preview loads up, you can also go ahead and preview the whole document that you would be printing, what kind of layout you would like. You can go ahead and set those as well. And then ultimately, when you're done, you can just come here and click on print. Really that easy and simple.